Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Football Coach Allen and today I am going to talk to you about some plays that you can run in 4-on-4 flag football to defeat a 1-3 zone defense. So hello everyone, my name is Football Coach Allen. On this channel I show you football plays, drills, and skills. So if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. But anyways, today I'm going to show you some great football plays that I think you will like, especially if you run or play on a team that is 4-on-4 flag football. So let's get down to the clipboard and let's check these out. Okay, so the one thing that is the same across every single sport, basketball or anything, is if you can overload one side of a zone, you're going to be able to beat it. So let's understand the zone first. I know I've made another video about understanding the 1-3 zone, but basically these players are going to be defending those zones, and player 4 is going to be defending the short yardage zone. Sometimes some teams will have their zones more like this. So there's an idea of what we can do. So to defeat it, obviously player 1 is going to get that ball. What I like to do, one of our plays, is having player 3 run up 10 to 15 yards and go out 45-degree angle towards the right sideline. We will then have player 4 run straight up the field. Now we've taken up both player 3 and 2. And now what we will have is player 2, blue, he's going to go up about 10 yards and go out towards the right sideline. He should be open in this area. Now, depending on how far player 2 and 3 red ran, he could even go up 15 yards and go out to the right side as well to make sure that he's staying away from player 4. Now, in our next play, we're going to do something very similar, except we're going to have player 2 over on this side. Now, if they switch over to a man-to-man, and before when you start running this, what I would do instead is start your players like this. Before you get the ball to player 1, he's going to run over to this side so that now you can run the play right away. Player 1 gets that ball, and what we will have now is player 4, 2, and 3 running 10, 15, or 20 yards down the field, and then cutting back in opposite directions. So what we're going to have is player 4 cutting back down towards the left side, player 2 cutting down towards the right side, and then what we will also have now is player 3 running out towards the right sideline at a 45-degree angle. This way we have now isolated player 2 over on this side, and by doing that, whichever player he is closer to, we don't pass to. So if he's closer to player 2, we'll pass to player 3, and vice versa. If he's closer to player 3, we will pass to player 2. Now, another play that you can run as well is having the quarterback start on this side, is by having player 3 running up 10 yards and cutting down towards the right side. We will then have player 2 running straight downfield, and we will also have player 4 running straight downfield. This way we are still isolating player 2, and whichever player he is closer to, we will pass to. So if he's closer and following player 4, we'll take player 3, especially if we don't need a lot of yardage. And if he wants to cover player 3, thinking that player 4 won't catch it downfield, lob it up to him, and hopefully player 4 catches it so you can get some nice big yardage. Now, I hope that these plays help your 4-on-4 flag football team. If they do, let us know in the comments below, and I will see you in our next video.